Sabi ko nga, try natin i-elevate pa tong look na to kung meron pa siya. I will just be adding some more if you guys wanna add some more. So I'm just gonna add this Hollywood Flawless filter by Charlotte. I was gonna say Anastasia. Or if the angle is a little different, it's because I had to pause and we just had our dinner. But yeah, let's go back to the makeup look. Before we eat, I just apply this to the tops of my cheeks, actually around my cheek area, and I use a wedge sponge to do it. I super love this one because it gives you that like wet look. In person, mukha siya parang like wet and juicy and so sa pang mayaman na skin. Ganon. Ganon yung tsura niya in person. Especially when you're just wearing like really simple makeup look. Like just, you know, eyebrow, mascara, and like this lang. It really, you know, it amps up your makeup look. Really juicy skin, like really healthy glow, ganun. So I love this. It comes in a lot of shades, if I'm not mistaken, like more than 4. But I'm using, yeah, definitely more than 4. But I'm using the shade number 2 Light. See that? And then, let's add another glowy product to the skin. I'm going to be using this Natasha Denona Love Glow palette. I also have the eyeshadow palette, the Love palette. But I'm going to be using yung cream blush niya. So, ito siya. This one. I use it also sa lips ko sometimes. I'm just gonna use a wedge sponge here. It's also the wedge sponge that I use. Itong side na to. But yung kabila is for the... See that? You see it? So nice. See that? Wala. Meron. Wala. Meron. More pa kasi hindi tayo makontento sa subtle lang. Trees. Kung ang sabi nila is less is more, sa akin hindi. I'm just trying to apply more kasi nga, because of all the light that I have, it kind of washes the intensity of the look. There, you see that? So glowy. Wala pa tayong highlighter. Diba? Like, just the flawless filter and just this Natasha Denona. It already elevated the look. And then with the same palette, I'm gonna be using, actually this is first, that's my son. I'm gonna be using this, parang hindi ko pa nga nadidentan kasi I don't really like use it. Kasi I have so many highlighters na I forget. You know, I have like lots of products and I tend to forget that I have things on my, arsenal. So yeah, let's use this. Using this Zoeva Luxe 105. Kasi wala na yung 105 Luxe Highlight Brush. Gonna dip it here. And then, apply it on my skin directly without powdering it. Healthy skin yan. So, diba? Girl, GlassSkin. GlassSkin, healthy skin. Okay, so let's go to the eyes naman kasi medyo nalulunod na yung wala na yung effect ng eyeshadow na nilagyan natin earlier. So I'm gonna dip back into this. But I'm dipping here and then here. By the way, you guys can definitely use whatever glowy product at home. I'm using these products because I don't really have, or I don't really own that much drugstore and local brands. And I'm not saying na only high-end or like foreign brands with my skin. No, that's not my point. But these are the only things that I have because I invest in these products because I do makeup on clients. So I'm really big on splurging in these things. If you are a professional makeup artist, of course, that is your goal. But I'm not downplaying, or I'm not in any way saying that local products are not good, because I do know that there's a ton of like great makeup artists that I follow, like Garcia and so on, that uses local brands, and they're so good. So yeah, back to what we were doing earlier. Now I'm gonna be using this glow palette. This Universal Glow Palette by Dior again. I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna pop this on my eyelids. This is blush bronze. Blush bronze. So let's go ahead and get a thinner blending brush. Yan. See how it looks? Oh, fuck. Sino ka dyan, Des? This registers as a bit of parang light lang siya, but it's really dark on the pan in person. Ayan siya, but it's dark. Like, seriously, it's dark in person. I'm gonna pop this on the middle of my lid. Catch the light. Alam mo yung, itong glow palette ng hindi siya yung like super, like so parang like, it can give you the subtlest highlight, if you will, depending on how much you pack it on. So that's how it looks on my eyes. I might just add a few coats of mascara again, because I only added like one coat yata kanina, if you can see. If you did watch my TikTok video or my YouTube or my IG reels, flying few more coats. Actually, wala naman tong effect sa kasi maikli talaga yung lashes ko, guys. Wala expect. Kasi nga, sakit, bes. Sakit pumunta sa mata ko. Sino ka dyan? Ang tapang ni madam, hindi pa nagpa-powder yan. Naglalagay na ng mascara siya. Don't try this at home, kids. Always powder your under eyes or cheeks before yung mascara. Pero konti lang naman. Healthy skin yan. Now, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna powder my face. Huwag na natin lokohin yung sarili natin. Hindi tayo dry or normal skin girl. We are very combo. Minsan, like right now, apparently it's not summer anymore, but it still feels like summer. Although gabi na, but I'm gonna show you how I powder my face. Like, if I want to retain yung glowiness niya, but, remove it in some places, here's what I'm gonna do. So, I'm gonna get that powder as I'm using this Picasso number 14 brush. I'm gonna powder under my eye. I super love this powder. Powder the areas that you don't really want to have time. Again, back to this contour palette because I absolutely love this. Guys, if you don't have this, you better buy it now. I know it's a tad bit expensive. Actually, who am I kidding? It's expensive. But I feel like it's a must-have for any makeup artists out there. I highly recommend this palette. Tsaka, little goes a long way. You don't have to, your face with, lots of contour keme. Let's just dip it in. Yan. And then, what I'm gonna do now is, I'm gonna put it here. Not ito kasi yung ko talaga eh. But I'm not gonna put it there. I'm gonna put it here on the apples, there. And then, Just like gently, like I'm not gonna go like this. Like ganun lang. Ganyan. And mind you, I haven't even like powdered that area. I don't know why my skin looks like this delicious. But it's not in real life. But maybe it is because of my facial wash that I absolutely love. We'll talk about that in another video. But wala, meron. Wala, meron. So let's do that on the side of my face. So I did it on this side. So you can see. And then now, whatever's left here, I'm gonna use on my nose. There. Ano ba? Kita na ba siya? Nandiyan siya. And then we're gonna proceed with the highlight. So I'm using this shade. I'm using it here. Diba, hindi mo siya ganun kaputok na, dati I hate doing that, but, I just noticed a huge difference when I did that. When I started doing it, even if I hated it before. Like, diba, it really raises your nose. Now, I'm gonna use this white thingy and put it in my hair. This, sabi ni Hong Vango, tama ba yung pronunciation ko? He doesn't really like to do this that much because it shortens the eye, which is true. If your eyes is like, like mine na medyo malayo sa isa't isa, I wouldn't suggest for you guys to do it unless you really wanna do it kasi nga parang mas pinalalayo niya. There. Lagay din natin dito. Now, for the final look, we're gonna use this blush highlight as a topper on my cheeks. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna place it like here. Here. Dami. Yung ganda. Yung sino niloloko natin, ang ganda niya. I'm gonna fix my lipstick because it kind of looks off. I'm bothered by the dip. Can you see that? I don't like that look. I'm gonna fix that. So what I did was to fix that dip that was bothering me extremely. Is to get the lipstick and then ganun lang. Tapos I look into the camera. I'm not sure if I can do this correctly while I'm talking. Oh yeah, guys. That's how I fix it. So yun, this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys recreate this look. It's really easy. If you haven't watched the first one yet, go right ahead. So yun, this is the final look. Mukhang bruha. But then again, that's not important. The makeup look is important. Well, on a regular day, like, this is how I would look, minus the makeup, of course, and the really beautiful face. I'm only beautiful when I have makeup on, so let's be real. And when there's filter on there, amazing. Anyway, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed sharing this with you guys. And I also wanna say na I hope you guys support me. I've been wanting to do YouTube, make videos for the longest time. Years na talaga. But my mind has just been occupied with negative thoughts na baka like I'd get bashed. I'm not like the other YouTubers that has that wow factor. I hope you guys support me. Watch out for my next videos. I need suggestions, guys. What look do you guys want to see? What kinds of videos I want to do, like food reviews, makeup reviews, everything reviews. I want to try new things with my kids and my husband. Like, I want to make more contents with them and just suggest. And to those that are watching patiently, I really, 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 really want to thank you guys. And to those, my friends who have been pushing me for the longest time to do this. But I just want to acknowledge you guys that you guys really boosted my confidence, my self-esteem to just try it. So ever since I started doing makeup on client, I've been wanting to do this. But, hindi ko lang talaga siya magawa because of lack of self-confidence. But yeah, mahaba na. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are awesome. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.